Someone just disrespected you. Your heart rate climbs. The perfect comeback starts forming. And right there, in that exact half second, you're about to lose. Not to them, to yourself. Here's the Stoic way to stay calm when someone disrespects you. 3 moves. I'm Aurel. Let's make you unshakable. First, create the pause. Between what happens and how you respond, there is a gap. Animals don't have it. You do. The disrespect is the stimulus. Your reaction is a choice, but only if you find the gap. So the instant you feel the heat rise, take one slow breath. That breath is not weakness. That breath is the whole battle. Second, ask who is actually in pain. Marcus Aurelius told himself that people who insult others are simply people who are suffering. A calm, secure person doesn't need to belittle you. So when the barb lands, think, this is what their inner life sounds like. Suddenly, it's not an attack to absorb. It's information about them. You don't get angry at a limping man for walking slowly. You understand. But the third move is the one that ends it completely. Third, refuse to accept the gift. Epictetus taught that an insult only lands if you pick it up. Seneca put it plainly, if you're not wounded, no wound exists. Someone offers you an insult like a gift. If you don't reach out and take it, it stays with them. You can simply not accept it. A calm face, a slow nod. You may be right, and you walk away carrying nothing. Create the pause, see their pain, refuse the gift. That's how the strongest people stay calm while everyone else hands over their peace for free. If you want the full system, I made a longer video on how to stop caring what people think entirely, and it's right here. Subscribe, and let's keep building your quiet power.